I asked my missionary friends who are in Taiwan about this, and they say that no one is ever truly like a high Buddhist. Instead, we have street folk Buddhism, where people actually look for two things: power and control in their lives, and also peace and shalom. And they point out Jesus is the only one who can give us power over, say, evil spirits, the power to be healed. And Jesus gives us peace. He doesn't take away suffering, but he lets us know there's a wisdom, there's a plan, a purpose, a direction to this universe. And because of that, we can enjoy a peace, a shalom that no one else can enjoy.